Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the bot is actually present and authorized. Grant Manage Server and view audit log so it can read invites and join events. Next, open the Discord developer portal and enable server members intent, because without it the bot cannot detect joins. Also enable presence intent only if the bot needs status data. Once done, generate an OAuth invite link using the bot and applications. Command scopes, then invite the bot to the correct server. Do this before configuring tracking logic. Now you implement the core. Record invites and their uses, then on member join compare previous snapshot to current invite counts to find the changed code. Use a persistent store such as SQLite or PostgreSQL so counts survive restarts. This prevents false attributions. Make sure your handler accounts for vanity URLs and invites that disappear, and fall back to audit log lookup when necessary. Also debounce rapid joins and update the stored snapshot immediately so subsequent joins read accurate data. Finish by running systematic tests. Create several invites, invite test accounts, and verify the tracker attributes each join correctly. That proves the logic works. Make sure you log events and mismatches with timestamps so you can trace why a join was misattributed. If the system fails, first confirm intents and permissions are set, then ensure the bot can read and update the database. Often issues come from missing intent, insufficient permissions, or ephemeral in-memory state that was not persisted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.